Hey guys, Gideon with G.T.M Farm here. Today we are getting our garden bed, or one of a couple I think that we're going to have. But the first one, we're getting it ready. Here in Zone 5A, our frost date is, I think, May 15th, which is another week or so away, pretty much. But Emily just finished breaking down some cardboard boxes. We're going to put down a layer of cardboard as the base, as a kind of weed blocker, a weed layer. And then we're going to add some compost. And then I think we have some potting soil kicking around. We might try to put some of that in there just to kind of get it settled and ready to plant in a week or two. But yeah, we'll just kind of take you through the process of preparing your bed. Okay, so your next step is you're going to want to soak the cardboard layer with a bunch of water. That just helps break it down. It's better for the plants and nutrients and stuff before we add the compost to it, and also helps with the weed blocking process. So just get that nice and wet, and then we're going to add some compost to it. Okay, so we have all of this old compost from our rabbits, actually. It's just a bunch of old pine shavings and straw and rabbit waste, which is actually really nice because rabbit, I guess you can call it rabbit manure, is a cold compost, which means you don't have to let it age. You can take it right out of the cage and put it right in the garden bed. I guess you could mix it in with your actual compost pile if just, you know, just for kicks and giggles, just so it's a more full compost. But yeah, you can put this right in straight from the rabbits, and that's what's so great about a cold compost. And we're gonna be dumping, I think, a lot of this, if not all of it, right in here as our second layer. And we're gonna spray that down so it doesn't all blow away, because there's pine shavings and hay and it's kind of light fluffy stuff. So yeah, we're going to dump some of that in there, spray it down, and over the next couple of weeks, as we get ready to plant, it's going to compress down a little bit so we can add the topsoil to it. Okay, so we got that all in there and compacted down, and then you really just want to give it a good soak, so just so it doesn't fly away, like I said before, and then the next step should just be the soil. Okay, so now we put a layer of topsoil down, and we only had a little bit of bag that we had left over, so we're gonna definitely need to get some more, but it was just kind of dry, so we're just giving it a wet down, and we're gonna try to break it up a little bit, and then we're gonna add some more soil later on. Obviously we can't plant anything yet because we're still having some colder nights. Like I said, our frost date is May 15th, I believe. But yeah, so I'm just watering this down, and I'm going to try to break it up a little bit because it was a little bit dry. And then we're going to add some more soil. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the garden prep. Not a bad looking bed. We obviously, like I said, need more soil. But yeah, that's the basics of it. So we thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you will leave a like, and please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. And we hope you come back for more videos. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day, Bob. Yes, yeah.